TUNAP contributes to a better world. Our heart beats for innovative and sustainable solutions in the areas of cleaning, protection, and care. Since 1974. Together with our customers, we have been developing aerosols, active ingredients, and specialty lubricants for a wide range of industries and applications for 5 decades. It all started in the automotive sector.
Our goal has always been to find solutions that work reliably and quickly, are easy to use, and significantly extend the service life of components.
That means for us, cleaning instead of replacing.
TUNAP inspires with exceptional quality solutions and attractive customer concepts for economic success. Thanks to lower emissions, lower consumption, fewer repairs, and ideas for higher customer satisfaction.
What makes TUNAP so successful?
We think along.
We think on.
And we think ahead.
At TUNAP, we are constantly generating knowledge and expanding our competencies across industries and internationally. By using the most innovative technologies, for example in the field of industrial specialty lubricants, we are always one step ahead of the times.
Our industrial projects provide the inspiration for forward-looking, sustainable developments. We justify the trust that our customers place in us in a wide range of industries, and also in household applications.
In our research and development department, we deal with the most stubborn contaminants to determine how to get rid of them.
This is where we develop our products to perfection.
Let's take a look into the heart of TUNAP.
We at TUNAP turn tiny molecules into tremendous success stories.
We always work proactively, and therefore we can meet even the most demanding individual requirements.
For and with our customers. TUNAP stands for Modern Research and Development, Professional Laboratory Equipment, Industry-leading patents, and an in-house chemical compliance.
Our highest quality standards apply to research, development, and to production and logistics. Everything from one single source at TUNAP.
I stand here as one of 30,000 customers. On behalf of the TUNAP brand and of own brands, my brand gets its identity here.
We offer our customers worldwide customized product ranges and services, from raw material procurement to labeling. Operational excellence, state-of-the-art technology, and the highest safety standards define our actions as a technology leader. We produce more than 110 million units per year in our factories and monitor production around the clock. Concepts for more sustainability are delivered by TUNAP in 3 ways. Through recyclable packaging, emission-reducing applications, and resource-saving ingredients.
All this can only be achieved with our more than 700 employees,
who produce our success with a great deal of commitment and passion.
We live team spirit and offer
customized trainings
and attractive employee benefits,
like joint sporting events.
TUNAP also offers intelligent maintenance concepts for mobility on bicycles, tested by leading institutes and recommended by professional cycling teams.
TUNAP systems provide care and protection while offering high-impact technology
that we also use for ourselves to keep fit.
We work together, innovatively, sustainably, successfully, worldwide. TUNAP works.